Hey, I'm Andy, and I'm going to show you my studio where I work both in oils and, well, paintbrushes, but also digitally. And I'm going to show you how incredibly versatile the Procreate app is, and that's mostly for drawing. The Procreate 5 is coming out, and that has animation, which is much simpler than the animation desk. As a drawing tool, it's the most incredible thing. I'm going to do the drawing first, and then I'm going to show you how I add it to the animation desk, which for me is a free app, very simple, and this is how I make the Christmas e-card animations for you. I just put this landscape together with a frozen lake using the app Procreate, and I'm now going to add the snowman. See, he is a little too big, so I'm going to shrink him right down, and we are all set to move onto the app animation desk. Tapping on the animation desk, my wonderful iPad Pro lets me slide a video onto the same page where I will be doing the animation. I simply stop and draw, stop and draw, stop and draw, and I capture approximately 130 to 140 frames. Now all I have to do is add a bit of magic. If you like the video, remember to press the subscribe, like and notification buttons below. Check out our online Christmas gift shop too. Each week in the build-up to Christmas, we will be giving away more animated e-Christmas cards, and by clicking on the notification button, it will help you to stay in touch.